Hello, good morning everyone. Just wait for a minute. I'll let Aman and Parag join. So I think everyone has come. So here I welcome you all in the second group discussion of Team China from Speakathon Club. And this time the topic of this group discussion is reopening of university is good or not. So this time we are having Miss Yukta as a judge of this competition. She completed her BSc from Guru Jambheshwar University itself. She was very active volunteer of NSS. So without wasting a single minute, I welcome Miss Yukta here.
Good afternoon. Once there. Okay, so some of you may know me and some of you don't. So I am Yukta, as already Shaina have introduced me. So I am Yukta and I have recently completed my BSc Economics Honors from GJU. So today Shaina invited me as a guest, like guest judge, but let me tell you, I'm not experienced or capable enough yet, someone, but I can help you guys with anything you want. So this isn't even a competition. This is just something from which you can improve your skills, especially the communication skills. So best of luck for you guys, and mainly the communication skills. I think is the thing key you just have behind of the others. And yes, man, the communication skill. I do remember when, like, from the childhood itself, I have never been a student or a child who was a stage fear, because I always enrolled myself in different activities. And the stage fear is the first thing I should tell you. So either I suck or either I am like good in it, or like worst, I don't care. I just do this. So the main thing is doing. So let's get started. I not even wasted a single minute. So the first, I think Shaina will continue from now. Thank you, Shaina, again.
It's our pleasure to have you here back after so long. So Yukta ma'am, please note down the name of our contestant.
Okay.
Contestant number one, Aman Jindal.
Okay. Let me have
Contestant
in.
number two, Avinash.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aman. Or is it Avinash? Aman Jinder.
Contestant number two,
Hello.
Avinash.
Okay. Hi.
हेलो शाइना,
Contestant
आवाज आ रही है
number,
मेरी?
हाँ perfect.
हाय युक्ता मैम.
Contestant number
Hi, Avinash.
three,
Hi, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi.
Contestant
Good
number four,
afternoon.
Sarthak.
Hi, Sakshi.
Good afternoon.
I
Contestant
think
number 4 is
Sarthak.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, Sarthak.
And our fifth contestant is not able to present today. So you four have to do the group discussion.
Okay, so we are having a co-contest right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So I think all of you four
So
are aware.
let's get started.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you should recite them the rules first.
Rule number 1, you are not allowed to switch off your video and audio. Rule number 2, you should have the proper internet connection. Rule number 3, you should be dressed well. Rule number 4,
Yeah.
your hand gestures should be seen properly. And rule number 5, paper reading is not allowed. And, and here your
Okay.
time starts now.
May I initiate this group discussion?
Yes, sure, Avinash, you can start.
Yes, you may, Avinash.
So today's our topic is opening is good or not. So according to me, opening of universities is a very good thing because it is a part of an opening or unlockdown. But if the government or universities doesn't have any proper plan to open universities or schedule classes, it's just a waste of time, and they are threatening the lives of students in this in the virus in this situation of COVID.
Yeah, Avinash, you are right. I appreciate your words, but I also add some points in this. The thing which I does not like in the thing I like in the reopening of university is good because the reopening will maintain students s- their concentration on their study, just like we have
Yeah,
unlocked
yeah,
in our homes from during from 7 months. You all know that, and it makes us far away from our studies. So it's a good step by university to reopening for the just 15 to 20 days. But the most of the things which I does not like in it, that they are not providing, they are not make us sure about our security. Like during a recent 1 day before, we have seen a news coming from the library that two of the colleagues are found corona positives. Think about the students which went to the library during this time. They or I don't know how much students get infected by this, and how much and when and after that from matlab, and after that how much people they would meet. The and the university still is open, and they are asking us to come every day, and they are not providing us a proper schedule. Just like on our first day, like 17th of November, we have gone to our universities, and the teachers are not present, and they are just saying that and they are just not providing us any information about our classes. So and we are coming to the university by risking our lives in buses, in trains are not tra- are not done. So we are risking our lives, and the university is not and the peoples of the universities like colleagues and our teachers are not found this thing.
Yes, I
yeah. I
completely agree
totally
So
agree.
it's not a good step.
with Aman, but the university administration should have follow the SOPs provided by the Ministry of Education with the opening reopening of the universities, as this time is very tough for everyone. So with the administration and the universities and also the government, we don't blame anyone. All are same in this
Radha,
situation.
sorry to interrupt. Are you reading it from somewhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Sorry.
I want to add a point. In the regulations of UGC, they are clearly mentioned that if universities don't have a clear plan to reschedule their classes, so they so they don't, so the students should not come to universities for their work, for their lectures or lab.
I want to say that reopening of universities is still not, there is a reduced fear of COVID-19 among people, and they're not really following the precautions for COVID-19, like social distancing or wearing masks. So reopening of universities in this time is not the best decision, I think. When the government is really assured that there is a vaccine for this COVID-19, then they will reopen the universities, not at this moment.
As the vaccine, we don't have any time. We don't know when a vaccine will come. So
So
we
that
also
doesn't mean
don't close universities for so long, and we
so
have
that doesn't mean we should
lock in
risk the
our.
life of people's coming to the university. Every life, every single person who is coming to the university, their life is endangered right now. And I don't think it is the best thing to do.
Yeah, I
People
totally
should
agree,
also have their.
Sakshi.
I agree with you, but the people also have to care for their life. The government will not take care of everyone. The people should also have some knowledge and all the care for their life also. We
But not
and they
everyone in
do-
the but not everyone in the university, I can say that they will be following the social distancing or they will be wearing masks.
yeah, that's the responsibility of the people also. Not there is no blame to the government in this. I completely
Yeah,
agree
that's
with
right.
you.
I
It is
want
a
to add,
responsibility of as a citizen and as a student to take care of all the SOPs provided by the government and the university administration to follow for to take care of our life, because as a student we also have to take follow all the SOPs and the guidelines provided by the universities and the government.
But if anything were to happen, if anything were to happen, if even one of the children, then who will take the responsibility of that? The family will all responsible held responsible for that for university also. They will not say that yeah, it's our mistake that we send our children to the university.
Yeah, that's the point. I completely agree with you. The government and the university administration should have thought about this. And if some students have any symptoms shown in that, then she or should be not come in the university
But
to.
there will always be some people who will think that no, it's nothing big. But if I have a fever, there's nothing can happen. Let's go to university. Let's meet our friends.
These things will also again goes to the mentality of the students and the people, what they think about that.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Na? The reopening of university is it is a rush to open the universities right now because COVID-19 is increasing as day. There is no reducing in the cases of COVID-19.
and as the winter comes, there is the second wave for COVID in India and in England. It is started, and their president announced second lockdown.
But in Delhi, there's already started third wave of COVID-19.
But in winter, droplet infections increases because the rate of evaporation decreased in winters, because there are no sunlight sometimes some days in winters and weather is extreme cold.
Yeah, Avinash, you are right. I think the step taken by university authorities is good. I think authorities should have add some points in it. And if they want us to come in the university for some time, then sure we will agree. Some students will agree, like me and all of you. I think authorities of university should take some positive steps to make students more aware, and the peoples of the universe colleagues like make us more aware about the uh, fear of COVID-19. Like everybody should be wear mask. Does not matter is it's a student or it's a colleague of a university. Everybody should have a sanitizer, a bottle of sanitizer, and temperature is the temperature checking is also done by university. But I think they should take more care of this. Uh, Yesterday I seen one thing. The security guard of our department check our temperature, check the students temperature, but a teacher comes and he does not check its temperature. I think that's not a good thing. COVID-19 is for all persons. It doesn't for students and not for teachers. I think the more danger for COVID for is for us. The same danger is for the teachers. I think so. They should make a more steps, serious steps towards it.
Yes, I
Yeah, I
completely
But
agree
I
totally
with
think,
you,
agree with your
man.
point.
but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think
The
with online classes, we are doing just
university and
fine with online also.
administration should have follow all the guidelines.
Uh, Online classes are just making fun of it, making fun of the study.
No, it's not. If you want to study, then no, it's not. It's a very good way of study, I think. And
It's a
and
very
I
good
bet
way
that
of
most
I
of the children are just coming to university only because they were getting bored at home and they want to meet friends and they want to go outside. That's it.
Uh,
Yeah,
During my,
totally true.
in my
Totally.
opinion, I am not coming university for just fun. I'm very fond
But
of
that's
doing
you
completely
now,
agree
but
practicals.
with
not
you,
everyone
Sakshi.
else.
But the online study didn't, मतलब कि our country and all the teachers and students didn't have any training about the online classes, online studies also. And in this COVID, they start studying up us with online mode. And the teachers didn't have any trained or anything else about the online class platforms and online studies. What the syllabus should be covered online, and what the what about the practicals, about the lab work, and what about the practicals should be. They don't have any um, particular platform and syllabus regarding what should be teach online to the students. They should
But
also be
but
see.
when the notice came of reopening the university, there was specifically written that the online classes will continue. But as for
So
you,
the
all of you are
online
going
classes
to
are continuing,
colleges.
still
No, they're
on.
not. I'm not getting any link
I
for the
am
online classes.
experienced
Online classes is
I am
not a
experienced from 15 to 20 days. Avinash, wait a second.
okay.
I am experienced from 15 to 20 days that no online classes is going to held. The teachers are sending their online class link on every time. Just like they are saying the class is on 2 p.m. They send the link on 12 p.m. and said that the class will be on 12 p.m. मतलब they are just doing their मतलब they are all busy are there in a reappear exams on their duty. So it's not our responsibility to make schedule on it. It's that teacher responsibility to make their time from their schedule and do their work. And that's all from my side.
And there is also a negative point of online teaching. The students are the students just do cheating in their exams to get more marks, as we all know that.
That's not applicable for everyone. Na? If you
But
want to
it's up
study
to you.
seriously and you are worried about your studies, then I don't think that's not compulsory to cheat in.
If you do, doesn't mean that everyone is doing cheating.
Okay,
I'm
guys.
not doing it.
Last 1 minute left. Anyone want to?
Okay, Shaina ma'am.
I just want to say that it is an easy decision to. We are in our home, safe, not getting infected. So that is good.
So, okay, this was a great discussion. I think, according to all of you, we should not open the university again. And the reason is fine. The cases are increasing day by day as the university started from 16th, and from that particular day, the cases of Hisar particular is increasing exponentially. So yes, here I welcome again Yukta ma'am. Ma'am, please come and tell us who did the best and what was the mistakes done by all of us. Please, ma'am.
Seriously, you all were good and said your respective and facts and points very well. But the thing is, we all know that reopening of university right now is not a very good decision. But yes, like Aman Jindal said, ki in online classes, we were just only making fun of our teachers and doing whatever we want. behind the camera because they were not able to see us. But yes, on the other hand, like Sakshi said, in homes we are not like at a risk of getting infected or something. But yes, you all were very good. Keep it up. And now about the results. Results, I think I'm not even capable enough to decide someone. But yes, for the confidence, I'll say Sakshi, very good. I like your confidence. Second thing, the simplest and the most done mistake by you guys was people's. It isn't people's, it's people. Second thing, one children, nah, one child. Children is of like for mass child, like a group of child. So I'll number wise tell you guys what was good in you and where did you went wrong. Aman Jindal, participate more. Like I think you were lagging behind than the others. Sakshi, confidence is very good, and your participation spirit is very good. Like you participated very well. Then Sarthak, I like the way you were saying the things. For 1 second, I just thought that you were reading it from somewhere. But then, okay, you said no, you weren't reading it from somewhere. And then the Avinash. Avinash, your facts were very good about that evaporation and droplets and cold and all. Very good. Something I would like on our part to tell you guys is ki just work on your past, present, and perfect, like future tenses. The best thing to improve this is ki make yourself a table of these tenses, second verb and third verb on the first thing and helping verb. ऐसे करके तुम एक table बना सकते हो. So, and improving is the best option because an improving will always go through trying. After trying, you'll improve. I know I'm not even good at it, but yeah, I always try to speak in English, rather I'm good or not. So first is Sakshi for the confidence and the way you speak very much, very good. And Sarthak, second. Aman and Avinash, best of luck to you guys. Next time, I wish you guys win. Just work on your speaking skills. And the thing is, plural and singular में differences. Peoples नहीं होता, people होता है. Children's नहीं होता, children होता है, child होता है. And other than this, I think you all did well. Thank you. Shaina, over to you.
Congratulations, all of you. Congratulations, Sakshi. Congratulations to all of you who came here and participate. Rest of our class is not participating in any kind of competition. At least you guys are participating and improving your communication skills. Thank you for coming in here. And thank you, Yukta ma'am, for coming here. After so long, we see you. And thank you everyone for coming. We are running
The
out of
pleasure is
time.
all mine. I just enjoyed it very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Bye,
you, ma'am.
guys.
bye-bye.
Welcome, welcome. And thank you to you all because, I'm not even good at English. Like, I'm not the best judge, but still something I know is trying is the best option every time. So just try. And the one, Aman Jindal, you are in NSS, na?
Yes, ma'am, I am in NSS.
Just participate as much as you can in stage things. Like,
Okay, ma'am.
go for it every time. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
guys.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Same to you. Bye.